time is it, Devin?
Like 11.
Did you catch a big fish?
No.
You did too? What do you call this? This is a big fish. Hop up, Tristan. Let's see this big fish. Having fun, Tristan? How many fish have we caught?
5.
Today, how many we catch last night?
4.
Tristan's driving the boat. Devin's hooking the jug lines, pulling them in. Got an ice chest full of fish. Let's go up there and look and see what we got today. Oh, look at them bad boys. What you got, boys?
That big old catfish.
Pick him up. Bring him in the boat.
I'm tired.
Let's see what we got. Oh, he's a nice one. Just right. Is this fun or what?
Yep.
Well, we went fishing. All the fish are clean. They're put in the freezer. Have y'all had a good weekend over here with me?
Yes, sir.
Now you're in the pool. I don't know how you're standing. It's got to be freezing cold.
It's like 20 degrees. It's like below 0.
I love you. I'm glad y'all come spend the weekend with me.